Next up is with a company that I remember a couple years ago when the stock was at like $2 a share. It had dropped significantly after its IPO. Remember talking to some friends about it, and Snapchat, their stock has rebounded extremely well since I think it was just 2 years ago when the stock price was at $2 or $3 a share at one point. Let's look at it. Yeah, a couple years ago, I think in 2018, it was around $2. Let's look at this last 5-year chart. Yeah, it was at, in 2019, okay, it was at like $4, a little under $5 a share. And yeah, so it has done extremely well since then. Now the stock price is sitting right around $65 per share. It's continuing to go up. And actually, the company recently announced that it's in a position to drive multiple years of revenue growth of more than 50% year over year for the next couple of years. They said that they've built out its self-serve advertisement ecosystem that has driven the cost per impression for Snap, driven down that cost while we're driving return on investment for advertisers. So it's costing them less money and it's giving investors a larger return on their investment. So with that combined, advertisers are going to spend more money, and it costs less and less for Snap to actually run these ads and get that out there. So between both of those, it's driving more and more revenue for the company. Everyone knows with like companies like Snapchat and Pinterest and Facebook and all of these companies, all these social media companies, the main drivers of growth are advertising dollars. So the way that they could generate more revenue is getting more advertisers, drive down their costs. And right now, Snapchat's doing both of these. They have a couple of different proprietary ways that they can advertise, different types of advertising that they can run versus companies like Facebook. They have a couple of different AR, augmented reality versions of the ads that other companies can't do right now. And also with Snapchat, the news, they have like a new Snapchat stories and news feed, which has also been driving major revenue for them. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, but they say their advertising system is getting more and more efficient, and advertisers are making higher and higher ROI. So it's just leading to more and more revenue, and they're predicting more than 50% growth over the next couple of years.